Ladies and gentlemen, the new BMW i3 Long Wheelbase. As the second generation of the successful electric BMW 3 Series in China, we are taking electric sportiness to the next level. With over 1,000 kilometers of range, according to the Chinese CLTC standard, it sets a new benchmark in its segment, reflecting BMW's ambition to lead in the world's largest EV market. The BMW i3 leverages all the technologies developed for the Neue Klasse, and this is just the beginning of our new era. By 2027, we will introduce 40 new or updated models, and China will play a central role. And all of them will benefit from the technologies, the design language, and the digital capabilities of the Neue Klasse, regardless of the drivetrain. And as the iX3 and i3 show, these products are full of local content, intelligent innovations, and attuned to the needs of our customers here in China. I will now hand over to Joachim Post, who will take you through the technology highlights.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a few months ago, Chinese automotive and tech journalists drove early iX3 prototypes. Their feedback was clear: a game-changing ICV driving experience. For more than 30 years, BMW has pioneered intelligent systems. And today, our driving dynamics and intelligent assistance create a new kind of BMW driving experience. The BMW iX3 Long Wheelbase is our first proof point in China. Confident in its dynamics, precise in its handling, and easy to drive with electric performance, effortless comfort, and balance for everyday driving intelligence. Simply perfect for our Chinese customers. At BMW, we develop our vehicles software first. We bring these technologies fast to the road, but we are never compromising validation and safety. Driving dynamics, driver assistance, and AI blend into one seamless system, natural to use, intuitive to trust. Across all powertrains, the heart of joy is BMW's guiding principle for intelligent driving dynamics. The heart of joy and our super brain of automated driving work seamlessly together. This creates a smooth transition between driving yourself and driving assisted. Our new intelligent ADAS system combines decades of experience in BMW, ADAS development and functional integration, competence in safety in use and user interface design with the strengths of local AI intelligence, developed together with our partner Momenta. The result? Our Level 2 navigation-guided assistance powered by the latest end-to-end AI technology for perception and planning handles Chinese traffic scenarios with ease. Once activated, our system, and you can also brake gently, the system stays active. This cooperative system is an industry first and makes assisted driving even more comfortable. Inside the vehicle, our all-new BMW Panoramic iDrive. A huge leap for UI/UX, highly customizable with AI. Driver-focused by design, refined over decades, it gives you the right information in the right place at the right time. It brings our panoramic vision, the multifunction steering wheel, the central display, and the optional BMW 3D head-up display together, seamlessly, even with polarized sunglasses. In China, where digital ecosystems shape daily life, this system integrates the most popular platforms and services. Navigation, media, and driver support come together in one clear user experience. The new BMW iX3 Long Wheelbase takes comfort also to a new level. From refined materials to feature-like ventilated seats and massage, everything is designed around how customers in China experience mobility today. Innovation has always been at the heart of BMW. Now, even more intelligence makes sheer driving pleasure better than ever. As you know, everything we do is driven by engineering, precision, and excellence. Our assistant systems are trained in extensive simulations and proven on real roads across China. They don't replace driving pleasure, they amplify it. Created with China, designed for China. Intelligent and safe driving for our customers. This is Neue Klasse, this is joy, this is BMW. Thank you very much. 谢谢大家.
Thank you, Joachim. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. With the BMW iX3 and the BMW i3 side by side, our vision of Neue Klasse technology and Neue Klasse design becomes tangible. Both these vehicles clearly express what BMW stands for: strong proportions, a confident stance, and a clear focus on the wheels. The iX3 conveys strength and presence with a robust and upright character. And the i3, on the other hand, appears dynamic and forward-leaning, with short overhangs that signal agility even at a standstill. And this is particularly relevant in China, where vehicle presence and proportions play a key role in how customers perceive both status and driving character. Now, at the front, both vehicles present a new interpretation of the BMW face. The vertically oriented kidneys emphasize the upright presence of the iX3. And the horizontal interpretation gives the i3 a more dynamic and sporty expression. Different in character, but unmistakably BMW. In the side view, the iX3 stands strong with powerful shoulders. And the i3 appears compact, muscular, and full of energy, and even standing still, it feels ready to move. At the rear, slim and wide L-shaped lights extend into the shoulders, emphasizing width and stability, a modern expression of a familiar BMW signature. But design at BMW is never just about what you see. It is about what you feel when you drive the car. And this is where the interior takes the next step, with our BMW panoramic vision as the key element. Visible to everyone on board, it creates a completely new sense of orientation and interaction. A new driving environment that will define all future BMW models. And at the same time, it allows for a high level of personalization, from screen content and colors to light, sound, and even the driving characteristics. Every driver can shape their BMW to their own preferences. Now, this level of seamless interaction and personalization is especially important in China, where customers expect their vehicle to naturally integrate into their digital lifestyle. It makes the car feel truly connected, intuitive, and personal. And Chinese customers are among the most advanced and digitally connected users globally. And this is exactly what we are designing for. With this, our vehicles become more intelligent, easier to use, and more natural to interact with, putting the driver at ease and in control. So, these two vehicles already show how BMW is evolving. Many elements are new, and yet they remain true to the essence of our brand.